everybody, hope you're doing well. Today I have my spring 2013 polish favorites to show you. Now it's so incredible that this is my second spring favorites. So last year was one of my first videos, my spring 2012 favorites. I've had my channel for 1 year. Yay! I'm so excited. I just love having my beauty channel and love chatting and talking and meeting with so many of you guys. And it's just so fun. So this is like a 1-year anniversary sort of video as well. And at the end of this video, stay tuned. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway. And at the end of this video, I'll give you all the rules for the giveaway, so stay tuned. So much is happening right now with trends for nail polish for spring. Pastels are absolutely a must. Absolutely a must. You know, neons are always a must. Bright colors for this time of year just bring life to your manicure. Pastels are exactly what's happening right now. Mints and light yellows and light blues, light purples, light pinks, one of each on all of your nails to have different colors on all your nails. Absolutely. Another huge trend that's going to be coming in my next video, I'm going to be doing a whole video on mint nail polish. As you can see right now, I'm wearing Essie's Mint Candy Apple, which is one of my favorites. And speaking of mint, a favorite from Revlon's Top Speed, this is called Jaded. Perfect mint green color. I'm going to be talking about this in my mint green polish video coming so soon, but I had to mention it. Here are my spring 2013 favorites. Some I've talked about before, some I haven't talked about before. I have so many to show you that I'm gonna fly through this, literally fly. So get ready. Look, Jakey got a haircut. He's all clean and ready for spring. My Essie favorites for spring. This is brand new from the 2013 spring collection. It's called Avenue Maintain. Really gorgeous blue. It's like a little bit dusty, not really super bright, has a little bit of a pastel aspect in there. So super pretty, just a really flattering, great blue. Brand new from Essie. This is Avenue Maintain. Last year Essie came out with Oi Caliente, just the perfect coral shade. I love when the warmth comes around because it's time to bring out Oi Caliente, one of my favorite pedicure colors as well. This is Oi Caliente. Screams spring is hot as hello. Hot as hello. Love, love, love this bright corally peach shade. So fun. I know so many of you love this color. I love wearing this all year round because it's so flattering. Makes your skin just have a natural, gorgeous, glowing tan. Love hot as hello. From Essie's winter collection, I'm still loving Where's My Chauffeur. It really is just that perfect Tiffany blue. This came out in Essie's winter. I was like, what is it doing there? It needs to be for spring, it needs to be for summer, and it is so beautiful. This is Where's My Chauffeur, talked about in my best of 2012 video because it's just one of my favorite green polishes as well. This is Mojito Madness. It is like the perfect green grass Kelly green color. So amazing. I love Mojito Madness. One of my favorite purples that I talked about in my best of 2012 video is Playdate. It's just the perfect purple color, one of my favorite purples, and I love wearing for spring. This is Playdate. One of my favorite classics from Essie for spring is Lilakism. Just such a really beautiful, like bluish purple lilac, really pretty periwinkle color. Some of my favorite Essie releases from last spring, I'm definitely gonna be bringing this spring. First one is boxer shorts. Such a popular color that I know so many of you missed out on. I'm sure you can find it online, but it's just a really gorgeous, like purpley blue. So nice, so light, and so pretty for right now. One of my ultimate favorite Essies. Love so much. This is a Crude Interest. This is sort of a lighter peach, a lot lighter than Hot as Hello. Really gorgeous, like pastel peach. I love this for spring. Then Essie rarely makes greens, and last spring they came out with Navigate Her. It's like a really gorgeous pea green. I really love this green, especially for spring. This is Navigate Her. Another pastel blue that I love from one of Essie's later wedding collections. This is Borrowed and Blue. I love this. This is like a white out blue. It seriously goes on so creamy and like really just stands out. Super pastel and perfect for the pastel trend that is happening right now for spring. This is Borrowed and Blue. Now from Essie's Luxe Effects collection, I really love for this time of year Shine of the Times, which is so beautiful over any nail polish. Any nail polish to just give it that really pretty yellow, green, purple, blue, pink little overall top coat that you see to just give a little bit of shine, a little bit of sparkle on top of any nail polish. This is a beautiful color. This is Shine of the Times from Essie's Luxe Effects. Sonia Kashuk. You can find Sonia Kashuk products at Target, love so much. This is a 4-pack that I got from Sonia Kashuk. It came in like a mini package all together. The names are Ooh La La, a pretty purple, this really great teal that I love. This is Making Waves. Then I love this khaki. This is called Khaki Shorts, actually. Really awesome tan color. And then another fun corally pink. This is Tutti Frutti. So I love these from Sonia Kashuk. Loving OPI's new Eurocentral collection. I did my entire full collection review that I will link down below. If you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. Talk about every single polish in the collection. I show you swatches, show you some dupes. Two of my favorites from the Eurocentral. One is You're Such a Budapest, which is that beautiful lilac lavender color. I've been wearing this so much. Just a really, really pretty color. This is You're Such a Budapest. And in that video, I talked about dupes, and Sinful Colors just came out with a dead-on dupe, which is called Candy Coated. And as you can see, they are identical. But formula-wise, I'm absolutely choosing You're Such a Budapest. And then the other color that I'm loving from the OPI Euro, this is My Vampire is Buff, which is a really beautiful like vanilla shade. This is like the perfect vanilla color. It's like a little off-white, has a little cream in there, and I love it. Now this is a lot thinner in formula, so you definitely need 3 coats, but it is so nice. This is My Vampire is Buff. Last summer from OPI, they came out with Kiss Me on My Two Lips, which is a really beautiful hot pink color, just perfect for right now. This was last spring from OPI. Perfect pink for spring. This is Kiss Me on My Two Lips, a really gorgeous creamy pastel pink from OPI. This is Pandemonium Pink. I love how girly, how pretty, really creamy pastel color, perfect for spring. This is Pandemonium Pink, a bright, this is the It color from OPI. This is sort of one of those shades that's hard to find, but when you get it, and if it's your cup of tea, go for it. It's like a really fun, like canary yellow, really super bright, perfect for this time of year going into summer, and I love it. This is the It color. The color of the year, emerald green. You have to have an emerald green in your collection. And the perfect one of my favorites, is Jade is the New Black from OPI. Just one of my favorite colors, so flattering. One of those colors that you wear and you get compliments on because it's so striking. This is Jade is the New Black. A really gorgeous pastel from Estee Lauder. This is called Lilac Leather, and this is a really pretty purpley pink lavender pastel color. So super nice. I love the formula on this. Perfect for this time of year. This is from Estee Lauder, and it's called Lilac Leather. I got this mini from Color Club, and it's just the perfect color for spring. It's called Mrs. Robinson. It's sort of this like electric purple color. So super fun. I love these minis from Color Club because the colors are so great, and you could just like stock up on these minis, so I love them. Heading to the drugstore, some of those Sinful Colors that I talked to you about. Brand new for spring. This one is Orange Cream. Really fun. I think you need a few coats because the formula is not as up to par as an Essie or OPI. Orangey coral color. Love Orange Cream. This is Sugar Rush, which is a really fun, light sky blue color. It's sort of muddy and murky, not as bright, but still gets the job done. This is Sugar Rush. 2 neon colors from Milani's Neon collection. I've talked about these before. This one here is Fresh Teal, just a perfect electric teal shade. Then I love Dude Blue, which is a really electric blue, bright color. I love these two. They have great formulas. These are from Milani's Neon collection. And L'Oreal. I love L'Oreal nail polish from the drugstore. It's super popular. Sticking with this sort of like orange corally color, this is Tangerine Crush. So perfect and so pretty for spring and summer. This is New Money, a newer release from 2013 from L'Oreal. Really striking, pretty green. Very flattering, very much so like the OPI. Did it on them? The green from Nicki Minaj's OPI, but I love. This is New Money, one of my favorite drugstore polish brands, Sally Hansen, and this line, love. You need a great yellow. This is Mellow Yellow, which is a really great like banana yellow. So great for spring and summer. I love this for your toes. I love this for your hands. Just a great color. Another great creamy neutral. This is from Julep. It's called Kelly. Now you can get Julep at Sephora. Really pretty pinkish peach cream, very neutral, very light. If you can't wear a lot of bright colors or any color at all for work, this would be a great option for you. This is Kelly. Now a bright fun option from Orly, this is called Passion Fruit. And Passion Fruit is a hot pink as you can come, and I love, love, love the formulas from Orly. This is Passion Fruit. Now moving on to Revlon, my favorite line from Revlon, the Color Stay line, I love and have talked about before, Buttercup. Buttercup is a really fun, creamy yellow. Love, love, love for spring. This is Buttercup. Permanent colors from Revlon's regular collection. First one is a newer color. This is called Dreamer. Really nice light blue. You see a lot of this light blue happening in every collection this time of year. Just like Hot as Hello, just like Accrued Interest, this is Charismatic, a really gorgeous coral peachy color, but this one is really, really unique because there's like a pearly metallic sheen in it. Check this one out if you're at the drugstore because you'll be able to see it firsthand. Two pastel perfect colors from Revlon. This one is Lilac Pastel, really, really pretty lilac pastel color. Then another pretty like sunny yellow color, Sunshine Sparkle. And there's a light sparkle that can only be picked up in the sun, but a really pretty light yellow color. And just two of the most fun shades from Revlon that they've released this year. The first one is called Whimsical, that light blue base with those chunky pink and blue glitters inside. Love this one. Have talked about this before. This one's getting like so popular and so many of you are loving. And then sort of on the same tune, this is Girly, which is that light pink, baby pink formula and has that chunky purple and pink glitter, big and little glitters inside. Two of these sort of on the same page. So pretty, so fun for spring, so get your hands on these. Those are my favorite spring polishes of 2013. Let me know which one of these polishes were your favorite, which you liked, which you have. I would love, love, love. I always love to hear from you. Now, speaking of these two Revlon goodies, this is going to be what I'm giving away in my upcoming giveaway. These two babies, Girly and Whimsical. I know so many of you have been looking for them, but right here is where you can get them. I'm going to be giving away both of these to one subscriber out there. I'm so excited to do so. Now, how to win these two polishes. First off, you just have to be a subscriber here at Life and Polish. Make sure you are subscribed. Then leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite polish for spring is. You can leave as many comments as you would like. This giveaway is going to be going until April 1st, so you have all the time in the world until April 1st to enter. You can enter as many times as you would like, and I'll announce the winner then on April 2nd. Now, some bonus points, to give you a little extra points towards this giveaway. If you are a follower on Twitter at DannyRC, a follower on Instagram at DannyRC, or follow me on Facebook at DanielleRC. Also, I am brand new to Keek. If you are on Keek, find me at DannyRC, or brand new Vine, which Vine is like the Instagram of videos. It's like 6-second videos. You can edit them, stop and go. I've been loving Vine. So find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Vine, Keek, and of course Pinterest at DannyRC. Those 6 places will just be extra entries for you, so go find me there. But to officially enter, you must be subscribed here at Life and Polish and leave a comment down below on what your favorite polish for spring is. I'm gonna randomly be picking just one winner, and I will announce on April 2nd to win these two incredible spring polishes, Girly and Whimsical. Now, this giveaway is just going to be for the US. I'm so sorry for my international subscribers out there. I do have an international giveaway planned for really soon. So 1 year I've had my channel. It's time for a spring giveaway. Go, go, go. Subscribe now, now, now. Hope you're having a great preparation for spring, and I'll see you guys soon.